Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Chairman, I beg to move that this House approves the proclamation issued by the President on the 15th November 2004 under Clause 1 of Article 356 of the Constitution, assuming to himself all the functions of the Government of Andhra. Sir, the House is fully familiar with both the background and the actual facts which lead to the President taking this action. The background has been that ever since the formation of the Andhra state last year, the party position has been vacillating. There have been no elections, and with the division of the state, the legislature was also divided and 140 members came away from the Andhra legislature and formed the Andhra legislature, and the division between the different political parties was very uneven, and the result was that the government of the day was carrying on with a very slight majority, sometimes one, sometimes two, sometimes a little more, but it was always a very unbalanced thing. Now, sir, in the Andhra state, as you know, the one very big question has been the question of prohibition. Under the Constitution, everyone knows that prohibition is a matter of directive principle. The Constitution has given a directive that every state government shall aim its policies towards the enforcement of prohibition. In the old Madras state, the government of the day had enforced prohibition throughout the entire state, and that was inherited by the Andhra government, and in that state today there is complete prohibition. The Andhra government, after the separation, appointed a committee under the chairmanship of Shri Ramamurthy to go into the whole question, make investigations about the actual conditions as to how far the policy has succeeded and make recommendations. The Ramamurthy committee submitted a big report and made certain recommendations which were, if I may put it that way, somewhat towards relaxing, if not completely abolishing, this policy of prohibition. We are not concerned here with that particular matter. Now, this report was considered in the Andhra legislature, and a certain resolution was passed in the month of May on the 27th May 2000. Some members were dissatisfied as to the action taken by the government to implement this resolution of the legislature, and notice was given of a motion of no confidence to be moved in October to this effect. Full stop.